I'm Kim of Love at Home, and today I'll be back for another Dollar Tree haul. So apart from the Dollar Tree, I'm also gonna add a Burlington haul and an Aki home haul. So stay tuned. So the first item that I'm going to show you is this thing. So this is an acrylic tray which you can organize either food that you're going to serve to your guests, or you can also put your jewelry here so it's more organized and it's nice to look at. Another item that I got is another bag of Epsom salt, because apparently the first bag that I got is almost gone. And another thing that I got from the Dollar Tree is this magic eraser. So I haven't tried this yet, but I've seen some good reviews about it, so I'm probably gonna make a video which I'm going to use this thing. And another thing that I got is these small plastic spoons and these small plastic cups for dessert. So whenever we're like hosting a party or something, I'd like to put them in these small cups. Another item is this candle holder. So I'm going to add these candle holders to our bathroom decor, and hopefully it will turn out nice. If it does, I'm going to feature it one of these days in this channel. And another item is this is a jar. It's a jar with a cover. So what's interesting about this is that it really locks in. So you're wait. Oh, there you go. So it really closes tightly, and it's good for coffee, for sugar, or maybe you can also add some chocolate powder here. So what I'm planning to use these for is for all those coffee stuff, all the good stuff, you know what I mean? And also this jar for my coffee or milk or creamer. Alright, so what I'm planning to use these for is for my future coffee station. Yes, so one of these days I'm going to decorate one part of our kitchen and turn it into a coffee station / coffee bar. So I'm not really sure when I'm going to start off with that project, but hopefully soon, and I'll be able to share it with you guys, okay? Let me get these breakables out of the way. And I also got this little stand which you can either put a picture or probably a certificate. So I like to put this in our set of drawers inside our room, and just put a book here, which is one of my favorite books by Tim Keller. It's Meaning of Marriage. So I just like that to be on display. It's pretty and it's gold. Another thing that I got is this. They call it the detangler thing, but I don't know what this is called. I already use this product. So what I do with this is when I already put shampoo in my hair while taking a bath, I would just massage it slightly. And it's also good to massage your scalp. I don't know, it does something there that's really good. I just don't know what. Another item that I added is this silver tray. So what I like about this is that it looks so classy, and at the same time, what I use this for is to put on my skincare routine that I usually use every day, day and night, so that it looks very organized inside our bathroom. Another item that I got are these socks. So you know, here in America, it gets kind of cold. Well, from the part where I am right now, it's kind of cold. So I like to wear socks at home, and hello, for $1 for these cuties, why not? Another item I got is this acrylic or plastic bowl, which you can put your salad or greens or anything of that nature. And doesn't it look so presentable? I mean, come on, it looks expensive, but until you do this, oh, it's cheap, it's $1. But I don't care because it's cute. And of course, the partner is this one. This is a salad tong. Tong. I said it right this time, tong. So it's a salad tong. So another item are these wood clothespin. So clothespin, in the Philippines we call it pangsipit. So usually we can use this to hang our clothes, but for this case, since we already have a dryer, we don't need to hang our clothes outside under the sun. What I'm gonna use this for is whenever we have bags of chips or any kind of food that we need to seal or close, we can just use one of these babies and then we will be able to close our food properly. Another item, oh, more pregnancy tests, because you'll never know. And another interesting thing that I found here, which to be honest, I never knew it existed, is an ovulation predictor. Cool, huh? And then another thing that I got is this, what do you call this? Cabinet shelf thingy. So what you can do with this is here in this picture. So it saves a lot of space. And another thing for the pantry, which I already used one of them, is this one. So what's cool about this product is that you will be able to see all the items accordingly, and you don't have to look for the items at the back of the pantry and forget that there's like, oh, there's a can of soup there that's expired 2016. Oh my. So another item that I got from the Dollar Tree is this foil cooking pan. So this is for lasagna, and this is for everything else that you would like to cook in your cooking tray. So sometimes I would like to cook salmon or chicken, so this is a very good item to use. So that is all for the Dollar Tree. So next ones are from Burlington. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Hello, I am back with the items that I got from Burlington. So the first item that I got there is this pretty vase of peonies. So it's actually fake peonies, okay? Is it peonies? Looks like peonies to me. But yes, it's a floral arrangement which I can actually put either in our bathroom or in the coffee station that I'm planning to make in the future. Another item that I got are these dryer balls. So we got this for $4.99, and to be honest, it's my first time to use dryer balls because we've always used the Bounce dryer sheets. But I feel like, you know, it costs so much money to keep on buying these dryer sheets. So I've decided to switch to dryer balls, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about them. Another item that I got from Burlington is this cutie. So my husband found this around Burlington, I don't know which part, but isn't it so cute? It says, "Meals and memories are made here." So we can put this in the dining room or in the coffee bar again, but most likely I'm gonna put this in the dining room. I'll let you know. So the last item we got from Burlington is this thing. So it's pretty big. It's pretty big. This is actually $14.99. So these are 3 separate photos or frames or whatever you want to call it, and we can actually put this in the bathroom as well because look at the sign. See? It's a bathtub. And then another one. It's bathroom rules. And another picture of the bathtub. So it's very pretty, it's very, I could say, very neutral as well. as well. Ang daming as well. So those are the items we got from Burlington. So a couple of days ago, we went to Aki Home in Ontario Mills and we grabbed some items for the house. So the first one I'm going to show you is this Barnyard Tray. So it's so cute because it has a very rustic feel, and I will put all my jars of coffee and stuff in it. It's going to make the coffee station more organized. Another item that we got are these cute paintings. So it's very adorable because it matches. There you go. So it's $3.99. It's not actually a painting. I think it's a photo. Last item I'm going to show you from Aki Home are these mugs. So it's very nice and very handy, I guess. Because the last time we changed our mugs was never. So we had our IKEA mugs for I think about 7 years, and now it's time to change mugs. And it's really nice to, you know, have nice mugs whenever you have guests around. So we have different colors of this, such as green, brown, I think we have yellow and blue. It's $3 or $3.99 each, and why not? And that is it, you guys. So thank you for sticking around. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification so you will be informed that I post content like this, such as Dollar Tree hauls, cleaning, cooking motivation, and all that good stuff every Thursday. So see you again next week. Bye! Click that bell notification. Ano to?